Are you tired of losing sales because your quotes take too long to create? Learn how to generate a professional sales quote in Zoho Books in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a quote from scratch, from selecting a customer to sending it out. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Click the plus sign to create a new transaction. From the drop-down, select Quotes. Choose an existing customer or add a new one. Click on MS Expert Apps to select that customer. Type a reference number for your quote. Select the quote date by clicking the Date field. Click on 14 to set the date. Choose the expiry date for the quote. Click on 31 to set that date. Select or add a salesperson from the drop-down. To search for a project name, type it in the search box. Since we don't have one, click on New Salesperson. Type in the name, like Manage Salespersons, to create a new entry. Enter the email address for this salesperson. Click on Save and Select to add them to the quote. Click on Add New to add an item to the quote. Type the item name or highlight it from the list. Fill in the item details, like quantity and rate. Finally, click on Save and Send to save the quote and send it to the customer. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.